everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is the last video for the day, and I'm bringing to you Simply Earth. This is a subscription package that I'm trying for a month to review, and this is a $39 a month subscription box. What is very nice, the first month when you sign up for this, you get an email and it's a $40 gift card, and then you can go onto their website and order something. If you keep it, right under that amount, you won't have to pay anything. The shipping is free, and I'll show you what I got with my gift card as well. So let's take and open this. This is an essential oil recipe box, and I'm so thrilled with this because my daughter and I are both getting into essential oils. So we're both starting to use them a little bit more, and I thought this would be really something cool that we could have around. So right off the bat, we have some recipe cards for making some of these oils. Santa's Bath Bomb recipe, Candy Cane Diffuser Blend, Gingerbread House Diffuser Blend, and then there's also recipes on the backs of some of these. We've got Rudolph's Pinecone Home Freshener and Peppermint Lip Scrub. That sounds wonderful. So some of these just are, a couple different things blended together. The Gingerbread House Diffuser Blend is 3 drops of the cinnamon essential oil and 2 drops of the peppermint essential oil, and it just says put everything in a diffuser and enjoy. So just some great little things to put together. Now I was kind of looking for a little bit of a description for the box, but I'm not quite seeing one, so I'll have to figure some of that stuff out by myself, because I'm really not quite sure what some of these things are. So we've got a couple little bowls. Maybe that's for mixing things. I'm really not sure. And a little jar. I suppose that's something that we could mix something together and then save it, so that's kind of cool. I'm sure those are mixing bowls, which is amazing, because we also have 2 little containers that we can mix things together and create a different oil, so that is wonderful. We've got an almond oil, and I really need to start putting my glasses on for some of these unboxings because I really can't read it. So I'm gonna have to figure all this stuff out. But what I am super excited about then is there are 4 different oils in this box. Here is the peppermint. And then something that they've got on the back, they've got a hashtag, be a world changer, 13% to end human trafficking. So that is their philanthropy there. I'm not sure if that's the ongoing philanthropy, if they choose different ones, but it's the 13%, and then to end human trafficking. So I'm pretty sure that is a portion of all their proceeds. If you go to the website, the Simply Earth's website, and check that out. But it is super amazing, I think, for a company to be doing something like that. And then they've got the oil in the box, but then it's also nice and protected, and it's in a little cubby there. And they've also got that 13% slogan there. And this is the Simply Earth Peppermint 100% Pure Essential Oil. And then it has the plants, the origin, the ingredients, and then the aroma on the back, which is really neat. All right, so peppermint, pine scotch. I can smell these right through the containers. So amazing. They've got amazing scents. You can just smell them right through. So there's cinnamon and fir needle. So are we going to have some amazing scents around this house? My daughter has a little essential oil bracelet that she got that she can just add a few little drops to, I think they say 1 to 3 of the beads. So that's something that I think is really cool. So that is the recipe box that I got this month from Simply Earth. And once again, if I can support a company like that, that has such a strong philanthropy, I think that's quite amazing. And I'm going to show you right away what I used then for the gift card that I was sent. And once again, I think I was able to keep it under the $40, so I don't believe that I spent any additional money. I think it was like $39 something that I did. So let me do this. I have unsealed, because the last video I went to unseal and I ended up throwing things all over my living room. So I did just cut open the box, but I have not taken anything out of it. Okay, nicely packaged there. The first item, which I'm super excited about, I do have one diffuser that a coworker got me for Christmas last year. That has little lights that change color as it goes. It's really nice in the bathroom, the kitchen. This is the Simply Earth Ultrasonic Aroma Diffuser. And this looks to be a great little size as well. I don't need anything that's going to pump out a real lot. I have pretty small rooms in my house. As you can see behind me, there's just not a real ton of square footage here, so I don't need anything too large. Another thing, something like this would be really great for is my workspace. Look at that cute little piece. And I just think that is going to be amazing. Like I said, I could use that at work as well. I know one other person that does have some essential oils, but I think that would be great. So that was free, as was this, Simply Earth. And this is lemon. I think lemon is just a really refreshing scent, very clean, very pure. So I wanted to see about trying the lemon as well. So both this and the diffuser, which has a cord and a plug-in right beside me here. These were 2 items then that I got for free with the $40 gift certificate that they give you after signing up for the subscription. So even if you do it just for 1 month, you get... Well, I have 5 oils, a diffuser, the bigger container of oil, the 2 bowls for mixing, and then the 3 little containers for making my own oils. You know, adding some oils together. So that's quite a great little deal to have all these things that I can learn about and start to use around the house, use at the office. They're pure oils. Simply, there's no additives in these, and I just think you know, they're just wonderful. They're going to be great. So very, very excited to use all this. Once again, this is the Simply Earth subscription. It is, I believe, $39.95 or $39.99 a month, but you can do it one time. You can do it one time and get your $40 gift card and have all these wonderful oils to have around. Oils like this, you're going to see them for, you know, $10 or so in stores. If you go off of one of those, you know, the home businesses, they probably are going to be $10, $12 or so. So I think getting all of these oils and everything along with it is a great deal. So really looking forward to trying it. So description will have information about this program. If you have any questions, leave them for me below. Once again, please subscribe to this channel and then like and comment, and I'll do my best to sub back for anyone who is new. And please have a very nice evening. Thanks so much. Stay warm, stay healthy.